So with the certificate of origin in general, so this is what we already talked about, right? There's a lot that's coming down. You need to investigate your entire supply chain. You also have this point where anything with customs, there's a lot. They're revoking past decisions on Chapter 98, repairs, alterations. I see there's a question on repair allowances. There's a lot changing right now. So they're redefining the substantial transformation. And really what that gets interesting in some of these Section 301 items is, in theory, you could have an item qualify for USMCA treatment. However, because it has Chinese originating Section 301 duties on it, you may actually have to pay those 301 duties even though your item qualifies for USMCA treatment. Now, I understand that's a lot to think through and take in, but at the end of the day, really what customs saw, and I think what a lot of people did, is they saw an advantage. They said, if I can get my items to Mexico or Canada, get them into a product, get it qualified for, at the time, NAFTA, we're not going to have these 301 duty issues. And really what customs is really pushing to do is update some of these past decisions and say, hey, wait a minute, if it's 301, it's 301. And so that's where they're headed. At some point, is someone going to probably challenge this? Absolutely. But just know that you could definitely have a scenario where you would have both duty free from a USMCA perspective and Section 301.